In my last video about keyboard that I recorded, about Keychron B1 Pro. By the way, thank you very much for your support. There were a lot of comments under this video, and this is quite unique for my channel because my channel is a little drop of fresh water in this acid ocean. You know what I mean? Yes? Thank you. Subscribe more. So, in this last video, I told you that all mechanical keyboards are bad, are fucking trash. They sucks. But I think I was a little rough. I was a little underinformed about some kind of keyboards. And by the way, I still think that most of mechanical keyboards on the market today sucks. Even magnetic one, even with this fancy magnetic Hall effect switches are fucking trash. Today I want to tell you about the pearl. The fucking pearl in this full of shit world of mechanical keyboards. Pearl that actually brought me back to this fan zone of mechanical keyboards. It's expensive, it's fancy, it's thocky. Mechanical keyboards fans loves to tell you the word thock, and I'm not a native English speaker. I don't know what it is. I don't freaking know what the fuck is thock. But after this keyboard, I imagined the thock. I imagined the cream. I imagined the smooth. Okay, I tell you, this is Lofree Flow 84. There is bigger version of this keyboard. I think there are 100 plus keyboards, but I like this layout. It's perfect layout. First plus for me. Do you remember I told you that Keychron B1 Pro had bad layout? Fucking bad layout with these little arrows and no additional keys that I actually use a lot, like home and dance. There were some shortcuts. Shortcuts are good. Actually, the little keyboard is, the better you learn to how to use shortcuts. And shortcuts are ergonomical way to save your space and save your arms tired, when your arms, как это сказать, ну, короче, когда arms are tired, when it's ergonomical and small, your arms and your hands less tired. Вы поняли? Perfect layout, big arrow keys, page up, page down, home, and even FN keys. Print screen button, you know print screen is quite useful button. This keyboard cost me around, oh my god, a lot. It was $130. Oh my fucking god, $130. A lot for me. I still a poor guy from a little big country. But this is what I tell you. Every coin, every dollar, every money that I spent on this keyboard, I don't regret. I don't regret. I'm happy with it. I'm happy, and I'm telling you why. Full aluminum case. It's low profile, like Newfie Air 75 V2 that I had. Slim and aluminum with premium build. It's quite slim aluminum layout, slim, but it's quite sturdy in my hands. I can squeeze it, and most of all, it doesn't create any of moving sound at all if I move it like this. If I just shake it like a crazy, no sound. Built like a tank. I don't think that I can smash someone's face with this keyboard. I don't think I can open the beer bottle with it, but maybe I could actually. But that's a build that I like. Apple style build. Flawless. Flaw-fucking-less. These keycaps are so smooth and so nice to touch and press. They are so well aligned. So perfeccionisto, yeah? Perfect, yeah? And this color, oh my god. This white is so sexy. I want to fuck this keyboard. I don't want to tell you about any of the specification of this keyboard. I don't want to make this video quite long. Just briefly, there are no 2.4 gigahertz connection, so no dongle. I don't care. I use Bluetooth. I don't know how marketing bullshit are pouring through in your head, and you think 2.4 gigahertz connection is good and better than Bluetooth. Bluetooth is greater than ever. Bluetooth is great connection protocol. It's low energy, it's power efficient, and this stable enough for the keyboard. Maybe if I'm a gamer, Valorant pro player, Overwatch, Apex Legends, Fortnite, Counter-Strike. Fuck this shit! I don't use this keyboard to game. I use it to feel greatness of my life. I don't want to spend enough time in Counter-Strike with this keyboard. I want to press these keys to message some text to my best friend and my girlfriend and my grandma and my work colleagues. I want to press it for another reason. Actually, it can be used with a wire to have a little less latency for PC gaming, but it has 500 Hz connection, but game keyboards need to use 1000 Hz connection. Poh! You're a dumb if you think that this matters in your game. You're a dumb. And if you want, if this video reach 1000 likes, I make the whole long video about how internet and LAN connection in games and in game servers works. And I prove you that this is marketing bullshit and you don't need any of these advanced settings. People just want your money. They want your money. I want your freedom. So why this keyboard costs so much? Why I fucked Newfie Air 75 in its keyboard S and praised this keyboard like a god? Why I sold a very, very good and cheap Keychron B1 Pro and bought this fucking $130 keyboard? And this where I become serious. What do you want from your life? How often do you think this is good for me? This is bad for me. This is what I want. This is what I don't like and like. This is my goal. This is my perfection. This is my passion. And this is when I feel nice. Think about that keyboards and actually every tech product that you have and that you use, not even tech product, everything about you can be described and sorted in these categories. How much pleasure do you have when you use your keyboard? If you tell me that it doesn't matter, it does. But you need to put your attention on this little segment of your life, pressing the keyboards, having this on your desk, moving it quite centimeters from you and to you when it's not aligned properly on your desk. Think about that when you press the keys and move your hand from the keyboard, you make this action, this move. You touch keyboard body with your hand a little bit and you feel this. Not plastic, not cheap, just not edgy, well-coated aluminum body. When you move it on your desk, you feel weight, you feel sturdiness. When you press keys, you feel tactile click. You hear the sound of these stabilizers. And you don't only hear it, you feel the sound, because sound is a vibration. Like everything, like light that right now covers my face to look more bright on this video. Vibrations are everywhere, and I'm not an esoterical guy. Vibrations is everything. Sound is light. Everything that you touch, that you see, that you hear, and that you feel, that you smell in this world means something to you. It means pleasure or not pleasure. It means perfection or imperfection. You can recognize these feelings. Sound is deep enough. Tactile recoil, I don't know how to say it in English, is perfect enough for me. Color is perfect. Texture of keycaps is perfect. Everything in this keyboard is right. And everything of this keyboard costs this much. This is one of the products that can be imagined in my head to cost less. And you know it only if you try it. I used Newfie Air 75 V2. It cost me around this price. And it was so worse than this. It was lighter in a cheap way. It was not built that good. Texture was bad. Sound was bad. Tactile feeling was bad. And do mention that I tell you about feeling, about premium look and feeling. Not about switches, stabilizers, loops. I don't tell you a lot about technical specifications. I don't tell you about some kind of input lag or something. Because these things should be invisible, should be unrecognizable for final user verdict. I don't need to tell that this keyboard good because it has Kyle switches. I don't fucking care what switches are there. I don't want to tell that this keyboard is good because it's looped greatly from the factory. I don't care how looped it is. I care about feeling and nothing more. This is keyboard, not technical benchmark. I want to have pleasure of using the world around me. I live a little life in this stream of lives. If YouTube servers will save this video for quite a long time, you maybe look at this video when I'm dead. My time on this planet is limited. And I tell you the truth, I know which switches are in there. I watched a video, I watched a lot of other reviewers just to find this keyboard. And I so upset that there are no other man or woman, I don't care, on this planet Earth, on this YouTube website that told me, my little friend, go fuck every technical aspect that is hidden under the roof of this tech. Use it, try it, buy it, press it, feel it. Your life is limited. Don't waste it on marketing technical specifications. Find something that you enjoy to use. Try it. And then you will be happy. Only then you will be happy. Your mind will be free. Your feelings will be open. You won't be limited by technical specifications. I don't buy this keyboard because this reviewer said that this had bad stabilizers, or this reviewer said that this had bad switches, or this website showed me that it has quality control issues. It's quite sensitive topic because if you don't want to be fooled or don't want to waste your money in the trash, you need to have an information. And I think the only way to find the solution of this problem is to find an honest people, honest reviewer, not rich, not very poor, not sponsored by any kind of marketing materials, that just want to find the perfection, that just have a taste, a good taste, that have a good sense of life, and that want and happy to share their experience. I'll share my experience. This keyboard is great. If you have free money, you should buy this. It will be great, pleasing addition to your life if you're typing a lot. If you game, if you need to have your keyboard portable, or if you just want to make a gift to your friend or girlfriend. Right now, I feel sad about the things I said to you right now. I feel sad, actually. I think it's quite a utopian model of the world. It never happened. It will never happen. But also, I'm happy. I think I make a little step forward to this utopian world. And maybe this step admire someone, motivate someone to live this life with a full heart of feelings and with the possibility and desire to share your feelings with the rest of the world. I love you. I love every fucking one of you. I wish you to buy this perfection, to use it, and be happy. I want to kiss you right now. Put your fucking face on your monitor and I will kiss you right now. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.